Hello, today is the 20th of December 2010. This is firststepsinforex.com. Today we're looking at the pound dollar daily chart. We looked at it a few days ago. We were short at the time and we caught a lot of this lovely drop here. But then we got stopped out. I was following the market with a flexible stop loss. And I got stopped out. It looked like we might have some kind of reaction. You see that we bounced up, we hit the pivot point, support and resistance. Look, it was a very strong support and resistance area, pivot area. Lots of bounces of support and resistance going back a long time. So it was a very good sign that we would come down again. The following day, very negative, a twin top as well, and it ended up being even a bearish engulfing bar, which is a nice candlestick formation. And we're very negative going down again. So we've broken through. We'd had a downward trend. It had reacted. It bounced off close to the 50% retrieval. Now we're negative again. We've broken through the upper trend line. We could be using this trend line. Could be a potential resistance point going further on. What's my target? Well, it's quite difficult to say. Clearly, we're very close to the previous low there, but we went slightly lower. It's possible it might carry on going down. Let's put in a Fibonacci. See how far from that low to that low. Well, we're just on we got a point. That was obviously the 78.6%. This is the 88.6. So this is a new target area. Support and resistance area as well. There is some support and resistance around here as well. So let's put in the line. There's definitely something going on here. And that's close to the 15500 number, which is, sorry, that didn't work very well. Let me do that again. Which is a round number. And we know that round numbers are psychologically interesting as well. Let me just adjust that. Okay, so we've got roughly around a round number. It's a pivot area, etc. If we break through it, when we're probably going all the way down to here, maybe it's difficult to tell at the moment. I am short on the pound dollar. I need to. I haven't put a physical stop in. My mental stop is about 30 pips above where I went in. I'm just holding off at the moment. The US market is about to open in about 10 minutes. Actually it's 7:30 here, so it's actually going to open up in an hour and 10 minutes because we're 4 hours ahead of GMT. So we're going to wait a while longer to see what happens. We'll just keep the market. It's looking very negative, so the chances are that it's going to carry on being negative. And we'll see what happens. I'll tighten my stop losses and follow it down. Okay, there's not really much else to say except we know the dollar is quite strong at the moment because people are being worried about the euro. They're pumping money into the dollar. The pound is suffering a little bit as well as a back of that because the dollar is more attractive at the moment because people see it as a safer haven. We're coming up to the end of the year, of course. People are going to be closing their positions because of Christmas and New Year period. There's not much trading, and it's most people are on holiday, and as everybody should be really, because hey, you got to have a break from this at some point. So we'll see what happens. We'll follow it down, and then we're a tight stop loss. So thank you very much. We'll report back in a couple of days before we break for Christmas, and thank you for watching. Please go to my website, www.firststepsinforex.com, if you want a free manual, 150-page manual and 6 videos on how to get started trading Forex. There's also a blog, www.firststepsinforex.com/blog, and you can also link to my Facebook fan page and other bits and pieces from the main site. Thank you very much. Look forward to the next video. Bye bye.